Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm back with another video for you guys. Thank you so much to Nail Addict LA for sending me these beautiful gel polishes. These are the colors that I decided to choose for today's video. Actually, for the PR I decided to use these colors, but for today's video I will be using the first color that you guys saw, that beautiful green. So here I'm just showing you the colors really quickly, and then I'm going to show you these swatches. By the way, these are such great quality. I definitely recommend them, and I will have a coupon code here linked on the description box along with the screen. These are the swatches, and this is only one coat, so that is how good they are. So now I'm going in with the Nail Addict LA base coat, and I'm going to be applying it to all the nails. And today I will be using a nail stand, and then I'm just going to go in and cure everything for 60 seconds. So this is the color Second Chance. I absolutely fell in love with this green. I thought it was so beautiful for spring or just on an everyday basis. So now I'm going in with my first layer of gel polish, and then I'm going to be curing it for 60 seconds, and I did a total of 2 coats. Now I'm going in with coat number 2, and then after I'll be curing it under the UV lamp for 60 seconds once again. So now to create these marble nails that I decided to do in today's tutorial, I'm just going to use a white gel polish, and then I'm using some 100% acetone, and this is just such a simple and easy way that you guys can create marble nails. You guys will see here how simple it is. So I'm just literally putting white gel polish wherever I think that I want it, and then I'm gonna go in with that brush, and I'm just gonna start swirling it around and marbleizing the nail, and you guys will see how simple and easy it is. The acetone just really adds such nice definition and just puts it and composes the nail all together, and it just doesn't get easier than this. Is definitely my favorite way of doing any sort of marble when I am using gel polish or regular polish. And if you guys ever create your nail looks or you guys do a nail set, I'd love to see what you guys create. You could always DM me on my Instagram, and I'd love to see and repost your guys' work. But yeah, so let me know what you guys think about this method. I think it's so easy, anyone can do it. It's super achievable, and like I said, it's super simple. It just requires some acetone or alcohol and a random brush you have laying around, and that literally is it, and it comes out so pretty. Always remember to clean the sides of the nails when you're working with gel polish, because it does tend to lose its shape, and you can always go in after curing and reshape them as well, and then apply your top coat of choice. So yeah, that's just a good reminder, because sometimes it does lose its shape with the layers of gel polish. I'm just showing you guys the 100% acetone I used. So now I'm moving in with some glitter that I'm applying to the nail, just very subtle and just very randomly placed. I didn't apply any top coat or anything because I mean, I didn't apply any base coat. You can if you like, but I didn't because with the tacky layer after curing it, it's good enough. So I am just randomly placing some glitter, and then I will be going in with some matte top coat. So I am using Babe Nail as a matte top coat, and I'm just going to be applying this to all the nails and then curing it under the UV lamp for 60 seconds. And last minute I decided to add some water decals. I decided to add some butterfly water decals, so you guys will see me doing that afterwards, because I was going to leave it like this, so then I'm like, you know what, let me add something else to it. And it absolutely turned out super nice. And let me know down below in the comments what you guys thought about this particular nail look. So these are the decals I decided to go with today, and now I'm just going to cut out the ones that I wanted to place on the nails, and then I'm just going to be dumping them into this water, and just for a couple seconds, anywhere between 10 to 15 is good enough. And remember to remove that clear film, and then they are ready to go, and they stick right onto the nail. And then I'll be using in that matte top coat once again, since I wasn't sure about the decals beforehand, and I decided to add these last minute. So you guys will see me using the matte top coat once again to seal the water decals, and then we're gonna go ahead and apply some cuticle oil. We are now coming to an end of this tutorial. Thank you guys so much again for watching, and I appreciate each and every one of you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Till next time.